The Baratza Sette 270 has been making waves in the coffee enthusiast community, but is it worth the hype? But here's what surprised me about this grinder: its price tag. /N It may seem steep for some users, but I'm about to reveal why every penny is worth it. If you're still grinding with an old-school burr grinder or worse, a blade grinder, listen up. /N You know how frustrating it can be when your coffee doesn't taste like the expertly crafted brews you get at your favorite cafe. Therefore, let's dive into why I think this particular model stands out from the crowd. As we all know, grinding your own beans is a game changer for any coffee lover. /N It unlocks flavors and aromas that are impossible to replicate with pre-ground coffee. But what makes the Baratza Sette 270 so special? Let's take a closer look at its features. /N 50 form conical burrs, high quality, durable, and made from stainless steel. Weighted base for stability during grinding. However, I think we can do better than just listing off specs. /N What really sets this grinder apart is its user experience. Let's talk about some of the benefits that set it above others in its class. For instance, /N the Baratza Sette 270 features a compact design that won't take up too much space on your countertop. It has an advanced gear reduction system for smooth and consistent grinding. Cleaning this grinder is relatively easy due to the intuitive design. But have you considered the long-term benefits of owning this type of grinder? /N not just in terms of taste, but also in how it can streamline your coffee-making process. Here are a few examples. /N the Baratza Sette 270 allows for precise adjustments to grind size and distribution. This means less waste and more efficiency in the long run. Therefore, if you're willing to invest in a high-quality grinder that will revolutionize your daily cup of coffee, I'd recommend taking a closer look at this model. /N It may seem like an upfront cost, but trust me when I say it's worth every penny for the expertly crafted brews and streamlined process. As always, please keep in mind that individual results may vary. But if you're already considering upgrading your coffee setup, don't settle for anything less than the best. /N If you want to get your hands on this fantastic grinder at an unbeatable price, click the link in the description below.